Mary's crown gleamed bright. Whispers echoed through halls. Eyes watched her every move. Danger lurked behind curtains. Other queens plotted silently. Marie schemed in mirrors. Cleopatra ruled with fire. Elizabeth's gaze pierced steel. Mary fled from plots. Her faith marked her fate. History whispered her secrets. Allies betrayed in shadows. Letters burned in panic. Daggers hidden in sleeves. Thrones trembled with rumors. Every move invited death. Mary faced her accusers. Her resolve never wavered. The world watched silently. History would judge swiftly. Queens' legacies intertwined eternally. Power came with sacrifice. Infamy or glory awaited. Stories remembered, never forgotten. Who truly held power? Which queen would you trust? History's shadows still whisper. Discover their secrets today.